Good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss about glycolysis pathway. So, do you have any idea about the glycolysis pathway? Anyone? Okay, we can go to discuss or let's going to talk about the topics. First, what is the glycolysis? The definition of the glycolysis. It means in the pathway of glycolysis, 6 carbon, the glucose is converted to the 3 carbon pyruvate molecules. Under that aerobic condition or lactate, under the aerobic conditions along with the production of the small quantity of energy. Again, tell you what is the definition of glycolysis. In the pathway of the glycolysis, six carbon glucose is split out into the 3 carbon pyruvate molecule and the aerobic condition or the lactate under the anaerobic conditions, along with the production of a small quantity of energy. So what can you do? The 6 carbon atom of glycolysis is split into the 3 carbon atom enter into the pyruvate molecule under the aerobic conditions and anaerobic condition, the lactate it is formed, that the reaction what will be the small quantity of energy is to form. Okay, this next one is where is occur for the glycolysis. Is all the reaction steps take place in the cytoplasm of the cells in almost to the all the tissues. Again, I tell you all the reactions steps or occurs in the cytoplasm in almost all the tissues will be occur in the glycolysis pathway. What is the significance of the energy for glycolysis? Considering the glycolysis is one of the main pathway that is main pathway. It is only pathway taking place in all the cell of the body, and the glycolysis is the energy source of the erythrocytes. Again, telling the cell is the energy source of erythrocyte. In this, what is the glycolysis pathway? Maybe they considered as the preliminary step before they complete the oxidation. Again, tell you the glycolytic pathway maybe maybe is concluded into the considered as the premier step before they complete the oxidation. So the glycolytic pathway provide the carbon skeleton for synthesis of non-essential amino acids as well as the glycerol part of the fat. The glycerol part of the fat. Again, I tell you what are the significance of glycolysis pathway. One is the and this one of the pathways taking place all the cells. It give the energy for erythrocyte. And third point, it is a precursor for the reaction of oxidation. Precursor for the reaction of the complete oxidation. Please note that what is the significant. So we go on to that. Now move on to the topic of glycolysis. Can you see that the glycolysis breakdown of sugars, glycogen, glucose, and fructose. Again, I tell you the breakdown of the sugar to form the glycogen, glucose, and fructose. So, what are the questions to rise? What are the questions to rise your this discussion? First, you should know about where in the body in the glycolysis pathway occur and where is the cell, where in the cell you can what the cells to occur for the glycolysis pathway and what are the inputs and what are the outcomes for glycolysis pathway and whether it is occur or not. Okay, these are the questions that raise your mind and go will see one by one what are the questions, this answer for these questions. The first one is what is the second thing, what is the glycolysis in the pathway? The 6 carbon atom is split out to form the 3 carbon atom in the pyruvate and anaerobic condition to form that pyruvate, the anaerobic condition to form the lactate, and this form while this reactions will occur, the quantity of the small quantity of energy is produced. Okay, so where it occurs for all the glycolysis pathway, most of this in the cytoplasm, the cell, and all the tissues is occur for the glycolysis pathway. Okay, this is the main functions, and you should know about the first one is what is the glycolysis and where it will occur, and what is the significance, what is the significance, and move on to the topic one by part three, one by one. So this is step 1 and 5, energy investment basis. So the before that going to, so okay, first you see that reactions before you go into the topic. What are the steps to give the energy part? You can see that four, one and fifth position to give the steps to give the energy investment at basis. So first one is, what is the reaction? The glucose is converted to the glucose 6 first by the enzyme is glucokinase. And the fifth position, what will occur? You can to form the split out in the two product. One is a dihydroxyacetone phosphate, and the another one product is glycerolaldehyd 3 phosphate. So what can I do? You cannot do the two ADP molecule. This is a one and a two molecule are hydrolyzed. What can I do? The 6 carbon glucose molecule is converted into the 3 carbon atom segment. Again, you can see that the first one is the 2 ADP molecule are hydrolyzed to form 6 carbon glucose molecule is converted to the 3 carbon segment. And the next one is 6 and 10, 10 the steps to will form the energy generation basis. So can I consider dihydroxyacetone phosphate and glycerol 3 phosphate, and fifth one to form the pyruvated. You can see that ADP produces here, and another seventh step also ADP produces sixth position. It will to form the NADPH and H pluses. Yeah, this is the sixth and tenth question. The sixth question to form the NAD and NADPH, and the tenth question it will form the TADP and ADP pyruvate molecule it will do form. So these are the producing one ADP and two ADP for each pyruvate form. Again, it will use producing one ADP and two ADPs for each pyruvate it will do form. Each pyruvate to form. So this is the overall reaction of glycolysis. For the first one is the glucose. Again, please listen. What can you do? First one is the glucose is converted to the glucose 6 phosphate by the enzyme is hexokinase. So another one enzymes are also in what is called as glucokinase and hexokinase. Okay, the glucose 6 phosphate. In this reaction, the one ADPR produces the pyruvate and attached to the phosphate, and another one is the coenzymes are also involved. That coenzyme name is magnesium. Again, it is what is called the first step. The glucose is converted to the glucose 6 phosphate by the enzyme name is glucokinase or hexokinase. This reaction, it is one ADP source synthesized, and to help for one coenzyme name is magnesium. Again, to me, the magnesium is one of the coenzyme for the first reaction of glycolysis pathway. And the second one is the glucose 6 phosphate is converted to form the fructose 6 phosphate. What the enzyme is? Phosphoxoisomerase. Phosphoxoisomerase. This is the reactions. What is the reaction enzymes? Isomerase is enzyme. First one is phosphorylation, and second one is isomerization phosphate. Next one is the first one is glucose is converted to form the glucose 6 phosphate by the enzyme name is hexokinase. And what can be the glucose 6 phosphate? And the second step, what will do? This glucose 6 phosphate it will convert it to form glucose 6 phosphate by the name is phosphoxoisomerase enzyme. And the third one to form the glucose 6 phosphate, it will to form the fructose 1,6 disphosphate. Again, the fructose 6 phosphate is converted to form fructose 1,6 disphosphate. In enzyme, the name by the enzyme is phosphofructokinase. So this reaction we need for that one ADPs are released. The one ADP are released. We can see that. So three steps. One is glucose 6 phosphate produced, and the second step, what can it do? Produces the fructose 6 phosphate. Enzyme name is phosphoxoisomerase. Next one is the fructose 6 phosphate is converted to the fructose 1,6 phosphate diphosphate. Enzyme is phosphofructokinase. This enzyme is these steps are produces on ATP. Okay. Next one is the fructose 1,6 phosphate is converted to form the 2-glycerolaldehyd 3 phosphate by the enzyme is aldolase. By the enzyme is aldolase. So what can you first is the fructose 6,1,6-phosphate diphosphate is converted to form 2-glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate by the enzyme is aldolase. So what we here the 2-glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate is converted to 2-glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate is converted to form 1,3-disphosphoglycerate enzymases glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate dihydrogenase. Again telling glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate dihydrogenase. So the 2-glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate is converted to form 1,3-diphosphoglycerate. Here you can see that one by one steps the reaction. Just the overall of the glycolysis pathway. You can just note it down. What is the reaction next one? The 1,3-diphosphoglycerate is converted to form 2,3-phosphoglycerate by the enzyme is 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate kinase. The ADPs are produced this reaction. Again, this reaction to ADP are produced. So 1,3-bis 1,3-diphosphoglycerate is converted to 2,3-phosphoglycerate by the enzyme 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate kinase. This reaction kinase produces to ADP. Here 2,3-phosphoglycerate is converted to the 2-phosphoglycerate by the name this by the enzyme is phosphoglyceromutase. Phosphoglyceromutase. So what you can do is here 2-phosphoglycerate is converted to form 2-phosphoenol pyruvate. Phosphoenol pyruvate by the enzyme name is enolase. So the 2-phosphoenol pyruvate is converted to form to produce a slot finally 2-pyruvate by the enzyme is pyruvate kinase. This is the most important enzyme. This one is the regulatory enzyme for the glycolysis pathway. Here this reaction can produce to the 2-ADP, and next one is the 2-pyruvate is converted to form the 2-lactate by the enzyme is lactate dehydrogenase. It is another one is this lactate dehydrogenase enzyme, one of the marker to access to the renal function test in the old days. Now it can analysis for the creatine and the urea. So in this reaction, what is the pyruvate to pyruvate is converted from the 2-lactate. Here 2-NADPs are produced from this reaction. So this is the overall of the glycolysis pathway. You just note it down and you write first your product and enzyme, and just another you have to write for the what are the steps to regulate it to the glycolysis pathway and what are the steps to generate it to the ADP. So I can tell you the glucose is connected to the glucose 6-phosphate to the to produces the glucose 6-phosphate by the enzyme is hexokinase. The glucose 6-phosphate to form the fructose 6-phosphate enzyme name is the second reaction phosphoisomerase. The fructose 6-phosphate it will convert it to form the fructose 1,6-diphosphate by the enzyme phosphofructokinase. This fructose 1,6-diphosphate to form the 2-glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate by the aldolase. What can you do? 2 here, so the 2-glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate to form the 1,3-diglycerate by the name means glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate dihydrogenases. The 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate to form that 3-phosphoglycerate by the enzyme is 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate kinase, and 3-phosphoglycerate to form the 2-phosphoglycerate by the name is phosphoglycerate mutase to finally to form the phosphoglycerate is converted to phosphoenol pyruvate by the enzyme name is enolase. The phosphoenol pyruvate to form the pyruvate. This one is one of the main reaction for the glycolysis pathway. This is the pyruvate kinase. This reaction to form the regulation enzyme of the glycolysis pathway pyruvate kinase. This reaction to produces the 2-ADP, the 2-pyruvate to form the 2-lactate by the enzyme is lactate dehydrogenase to produces to 2-NADP, NADH to produces to 2-NAD plus. This is the overall reactions of glycolysis pathway. Okay, So it's clear. Move on to the next one is one by one, each one by one, how can to convert it. You can see the first one is the phosphorylation reaction. So the phosphorylation reaction, you can see that this is one that closed chain structure of the glucose. You can see that the glucose is converted to that glucose 6-phosphate enzyme. You can, this is the reactions by phosphorylation reaction. Here you can see that the CH2 OH, the OH is removed to form that one phosphate group added. OH group is removed and H group hydrogen is removed to form one pyruvate group. So this is the phosphorylation reaction. This reaction to form one ADP produced by the enzymes hexokinase or glucokinase. Another one of the important coenzyme involved in the first step, magnesium. Again, today the magnesium was most important coenzyme in the glycolysis pathway. The first reactions occur for the magnesiums. So this is the first reaction. Please note in the first reaction, what can you do? The glucose is converted to the glucose 6-phosphate. This reaction again the phosphorylation. Why it is called as a phosphorylation? The phosphate group added to remove the hydrogen group. The phosphate group 1 is added. The second one is isomerization. So already told this is the second one is isomerization reaction. What will the isomerization? You can see that the glucose phosphate, glucose 6-phosphate, what can you do to fructose 6-phosphate? This is one of the missing 6 ring formed when you can see the follow the cursor. This one, this structure has a 6 carbon atom of ring, 6 carbon atom of the ring. You can see that when 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is the 6 ring are formed. But what can it, this isomerase reaction? It will form that 5 ring of fructose ring formed. Again, this one is a 6 ring form. They got converted into the fructose 6 phosphate by an enzyme 6 fructose 6 phosphate. This after enter to the isomerization reaction, it will form the 5 structure formed. You can see that one. Please note it that the cursor to follow the cursor 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, here you can see the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 5 structural ring to form the carbohydrate fructose 6-phosphate. After the isomerization reaction will occur. What the enzyme name is phosphoexose isomerase. Again, it is phosphoexose isomerase. So this is the second reaction. So what can be the first reaction? The glucose is converted to the glucose 6-phosphate by the enzyme is hexokinase or glucokinase. Enzyme name and the coenzyme name is magnesium. Okay, the one ADP is produces. The second was the glucose 6-phosphate undergo the isomerization reaction to form the fructose 6-phosphate. So what is the name is phosphoexoisomerase enzyme. This reaction, what can it do? 6 structure of the ring to form 6 structure of the ring will convert it to the 5 structure of the fructose 6-phosphate. Okay, this is the second reaction. Note it down. Please move on to the third steps. The fructose 6-phosphate. What can I do is convert to the fructose 1,6-phosphate. This reaction also occurs by the phosphorylation reaction. You can see that you have to here. H group 1 is for first position is already solved. Glucose 6-phosphate is attached. What can this one is 1,6-phosphate. Other this one the first position of carbon atom will get attached with the phosphate group, and this is the sixth position of carbon atom. The carbons are removed to form the one phosphate group. So this is the name is fructose 1,6-phosphate by the enzyme is phosphofructokinase. The ADPs are producers. This reaction is called as phosphorylation reaction. Okay, this clear. What is it? The CH2OH group, the H is removed to form the phosphate group, and here also can be already formed. Here also formed one phosphate groups are attached. The hydrogen groups are removed. So this reaction to form that ADP to form. This is the third reaction. So overall, the 3 steps. What will we see about the 3 action? First one is the 2 phosphate group is added. Already told is the 2 phosphate group, and the 6 member the glucose ring is isomerized into them. into a 5-membered fructose ring. Is already told. You can see that the 6 membrane of glucose is isomerized to form the 5 membranes of glucose structure will be formed after under the isomerization reaction, and they will store in the 2-ADP molecule is utilized to modify the structure of glucose. The energy of stored is the 2-ADP molecule is utilized to modify the structure of the glucose. And move to the fourth question, fourth reactants. What fructose 1-phosphate, 1,6-phosphate is converted to what can be the cleavage, the bond is broken. Here, what is a 1,6 fructose 1,6 bis phosphate is cleaved, then to the bond is broken to form the two product. One is said dihydroxyacetone phosphate, another one is glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. By the enzyme senses aldose enzyme, aldose enzyme, another one is cleavage of the bond of position of the fifth position of the bond structure. Again, you can see that after the fourth step, then after we form the fructose 1,6 bis phosphate, what will occur? The fructose 1,6 bis phosphate, it is what it will broken to cleavage to form cleavage. It will to form the two product. One is dihydroxyacetone phosphate, and another one is glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. What is the enzymes are involved here? Aldolase enzymes are involved. And the third one is what is the two product to form the isomerization reactions again to the two product. So fructose 1,6 bisphosphate to cleavage to form the two product. One is dihydroxyacetone phosphate, another one is glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. The two product to undergo the isomerization reaction, it will form what can it form? The 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate. Here this glyceraldehyde enzyme name is glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate dehydrogenases. Here, what can it, this phosphate group to oxidation and phosphorylation reaction it will be occur. You can see that the phosphate group attached to the two and the hydrogen groups are replaced by the phosphate group. So what we do? CH2. Here the glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate to undergo the oxidation and the phosphorylation reaction to form the 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate by the enzyme glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate dehydrogenase. Here to produces for NADH and H pluses. Here will the structure it will show that the two phosphate group here is already there in the phosphate group in the left side of H groups are removed to form the phosphate group, and the right side what can you do? Here this hydrogen is removed, it will do one phosphate group is attached with replaced by the hydrogen group. So form now 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate product. You can see the 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate undergo the phosphate transfer group. It will to form the 3-phosphoglycerate by the enzyme name is phosphoglycerol kinase. I can tell you the 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate is converted to form the 3-phosphoglycerate. This reaction it will be the phosphate groups are transferred. The phosphate groups are removed or otherwise is transferred. This reaction by the enzyme name is phosphoglycerate kinase. This is the enzymes. These steps were released to generated to the ADP. This is the seventh position. So seventh steps. What can I know? The 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate is converted to form 3-phosphoglycerate, but the enzyme name is phosphoglycerate kinase. What the reaction? The phosphate transfer, otherwise is phosphate removed from these reactions. Next one is the 3-phosphoglycerate is converted to the 2-phosphoglycerate. This called under to the isomerization reaction. Under to the isomerization by the enzyme is phosphoglycerate mutate. Phosphoglycerate and mutate. We can remove this OH groups and attach to the H. This is OH hydrogen group and hydrogen groups are removed. What can the phosphate groups attached with the CH group. Okay, so under to the isomerization, it will to form the phosphoglycerate aminoase. So this is the eighth step. What can be the eighth step? What will occur? The 3-phosphoglycerate is connected to the 2-phosphoglycerate. What can be the under to isomerase reaction to form the enzyme name is enzyme. What the enzymes are involved in this eighth steps? Phosphoglycerate mutase. And the ninth position, dehydration. Dehydration is as already known. What is known? The H2 groups are removed. So the under to the dehydration process, the 2-phosphoglycerate is converted to form phosphophenol pyruvate by the enzyme enolase. So again, the ninth step, what will occur? The under to the dehydration process or under to the dehydration process, what will occur? The 2-phosphoglycerate is converted to form the phosphoglycerate phosphoenol pyruvate by the enzyme name is enolase enzyme. This is the ninth question. And the 10th last one is what kind of the phosphoenol pyruvate? It will to form the phosphate group or transfer or cleavage. It will to form that pyruvate. Again, the phosphoenol pyruvate is converted to form that pyruvate by the enzyme pyruvate kinase. This is one of the most important reaction. Why? Because the two ADPs are producers. Otherwise, the regulatory enzyme regulator enzyme of regulated it is a regulated to the glycolysis pathway by the enzyme is pyruvate kinase. So most important the two ADPs are producers. And again I tell you what kind of the 10th step under to the phosphate transfer or phosphate cleavage. The phosphoenol pyruvate is converted for that pyruvate by the enzyme is pyruvate kinase. This reaction to release the two ADPs. So this is the see that what can two glycerol 3-phosphate unit are connected to form two pyruvate unit the phase of the two glycosyl. So first say the first phase what can I get the two glycerol 3-phosphate it will form, and second phase what will occur in the glycolysis pathway the two glycerol 3-phosphate unit are converted into the two pyruvate unit and the phase of the phase 2 of the glycolysis pathway. The overall the energy generation phases from the 2 NADPHs and 4 ADP to form. So the 2 ADP used in the phases of 1 glycolysis and 4 ADPs are made in the phases of 2 glycolysis. The net result on the synthesis of 2 ADP from glycolysis, the 2 NADPHs formed or made in the cytoplasm and must be transferred to the mitochondria to join the electron transfer chain and make it ADP. So most important point, what can the 2 NADPs are formed or NADPHs formed are made in the cytoplasm and must be transferred into the mitochondria to join the electron transfer chain. It will make to form that ADP. Again telling two NADPs are made it in the cytoplasm formed two NADPs are made in the cytoplasm must transfer to the mitochondria to join the electron transfer chain and produces to for ADP or are generated to the ADP. So what can so the overall glycolysis you can see that the glucose and 2 NADP and 2 ADP is converted to form the 2 ADP adenine triphosphate and finally to form final product of pyruvate and 2 NADPH and will form and 2 hydrogens are to produced. So what can the effect of the pyruvate? After pyruvate, what will be occur? The 3 product to form after that pyruvate. One is under the aerobic condition, another one is anaerobic condition, and the fermentation by the microorganism. The under to the aerobic condition, the pyruvate what will do? Acetyl CoA it will to form. Again, the under the aerobic condition, what product will form? Acetyl CoA it will form under to the aerobic condition. And under the anaerobic condition, what the product it will form is lactate. And to the in the fermentation by the microorganism, what the product it will form? Ethanol. So again, I tell you the aerobic condition it will form the acetyl CoA, and under the anaerobic condition to form the lactate, and in the fermentation by the microorganisms process it will form the ethanol. Okay. So the next one is this is all the so this is what the overall reaction of the glycolysis for this. So what are the regulatory enzymes for this glycolysis? But one is hexokinase or glucokinase. Glucokinase is one of the regulator enzyme of glycolysis, and the second one, what the enzyme is phosphoenol pyruvate, one of the regulatory enzyme for the glycolysis, and the third one is important one is pyruvate kinase. These are the enzymes, the regulating factor for the glycolysis pathway. So we should know about how to form the first product glucose and the second product is glucose 6 phosphate, and how to form that under the isomers reaction it will form the fructose 6 phosphate. Okay. And after to form the fructose 6 phosphate it will form that what kind of 1,6 bis phosphate, one 1,6 bis phosphate, 1 bis phosphate glycerate, and the 1,3 bis phosphate is 1,6 bis phosphate. It will form the two product, one is dihydroxyacetone phosphate and one is glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate. So we can to form the phosphoenol pyruvate. The phosphoenol pyruvate is finally to form that pyruvate by the enzyme pyruvate kinase. So these are the overall reaction of glycolysis, and should not know about where the steps are to produces to the NADPH and where the steps are produces to the ADP. Then another question is how many ADPs are produced from the each reactions and how many ADPs and pyruvate are released from the each reaction. This is most factors and most fact of the glycolysis pathway. You remember and write all the things. Okay. Thank you. Next we will see the next classes. We thank you for the attention the classes.